Hi, I'm RG Pamaran. I'm a Filipino. I live in the Philippines. And I was born on June 3, 1987. Well, you know what? The Catholic says to me, I'm put on a cross because I have three moles. One, two, three. One, two, three. I have three moles in my right shoulder. I have three moles in my right shoulder. And you know what? Some people to some people recognize me. I have contact in Jesus Christ. I believe in that because I believe in Jesus. I believe in God, and I believe I believe what people told me about Bible verse in the Bible. I live with my sister. My sister is a nurse. My father is a senior citizen, and I live well. When I used to play guitar, I will create a video when I will play guitar. Sorry, but I don't have I'm not that good deep in English, but I try to speak in English well. But supposedly there's something that I want to tell you all about because some people told me that I have a look-alike people like Brad Pitt or Ben Diesel. Look at my face closely. Yeah. But my teeth is because of a cigarette. Ayan, negative side effects of cigarette. Yeah. My teeth. Negative side effects of cigarette. I try to quit smoke because it's bad to our health. All people knows that smoking kills. But I try to help myself to stop smoke and be healthy and live long life. I try to manage myself every day. I try to wake up and have a push-up exercise, and walking exercise every morning. I shout out to my relatives, my may Auntie Christy, Uncle Mark, uh, side of my father, and my complete name is RG Bodstein Pamaran. RG Bodstein Pamaran, I have four surnames, two side of my mother and two side of my father. There are four surnames. My surname is Bodstein Albaniel Pamaran Francisco. Bodstein Albaniel side of my mother, Francisco Pamaran side of my father. Bodstein is a foreign surname because my grandfather of my side of my mom is a foreigner. I want to live more because I want to enjoy my every moment of my life, and my Uncle Mark told me that I will start this vlog because to have some positive thoughts, and you can leave your comments down below because I have a, like I was said before, later I have a three moles here, three moles put on a cross like Jesus Christ put on a cross. So some people told me that I'm an angel, but I don't believe that. I'm only human because all people die. Born, live, die. And you know what? Life is not, what I'm trying to tell is, life is not a game that you help each other. Life is not a game that you help each other because people will not help you. People will not help you every time. So try to help yourself first before people help you. Because if you love yourself, people will help you. Life is not a game that every time people will help you every time. It's not like that. We try to communicate each other, but in a proper way. Okay, see you on my next vlog. This is my short video. I'm RG Pamaran. I hope you enjoy my vlog, and I hope more people will subscribe to my channel, and I will do more video, and watch out for my next video. Okay? Bye.